Hi, I'm Matt Berry, and today I'm going to teach you how to change the spark plugs on your car. Let's get started. The first step, we need the right tools. The first tool that we need a socket wrench. We need an extender, a 10 millimeter socket, and we're going to need a 5/8 deep well socket to remove the spark plugs. Magnet on the end of a stick to grab. It's also a good idea to remove your battery just so that you can restart everything, reset everything. So I'm going to take the battery negative off and leave the positive where it is. So down inside, see, you can't really see it, but down inside here, these are where the spark plugs are inside of. So this whole fixture right here needs to be removed. But we'll do a little, this part can go now. So we actually have to remove these little plugs that go in. There's a little tiny button that you push right here, and then when you push the button, you can actually remove these guys from there. We're gonna start with our 10 millimeter. We have to remove the outer connector. If you were to look down inside here, you will see there's one little nut sitting on here. Once you break it, you can do it by hand. Looks like that. And then this whole assembly slides right out and has oil all over it, which is not a good sign. Oil means that something's leaking. So this is the hard part. You got to put the socket down inside there. And then you're going to connect. We're going to turn it. Oh boy, it's not wanting to crack. So gently apply pressure. Got it. So this is spark plug number 1. So once you get all the way to the end, you're gonna have to remove the socket, and from removing the socket, spin this by hand until the spark plug is released. Once the spark plug is released, it should stay. We don't know where it might have gone wrong, but when they're all dark and blackened on the edge there, that's when you know it's time to replace them. We're gonna pull the other 2 ignition coils out. So with our 10 mil, we're just gonna reach in. I'm gonna crack this guy. Again, crack the top of this off, and then don't lose it. You gotta keep a hand on it so you don't lose it. That guy. Let's do the other one while we're in here. Typically want to get them all at once. The whole side. We pull the ignition coils out. This one looks good. A little bit of grease on it. Single extension. And we'll go down into here. Sometimes you have to go inside the fan. Yay, we got it. Here's our new spark plugs. These spark plugs are not the most expensive ones. We bought these from Amazon for $25 for a set of 6 of them. These spark plugs for a Honda Pilot require a 5/8 socket. Here we go. I'm gonna grab the extension. And should start going. Once it gets seated, then I can use the wrench. So it feels like it's starting to get seated in there. Okay, so now I'm going to go with the wrench and tightening.